First, we tear out the existing concrete and landscape. And we build the forms and prep the area with a gravel base. We use our bobcat and wheelbarrows and lots of teamwork. As you'll watch this video, you'll notice how many people it takes to professionally install a reliable concrete project.
This sub-base will act as a capillary break, preventing the water from wicking up from the ground into the concrete, and it creates a level surface for the concrete pour as well. This layer of compacted base will greatly reduce the chances of cracking from occurring and increasing your concrete's longevity. You know, there's a famous saying that says, spectacular achievement is always preceded by unspectacular preparation. You know, I think that wise man that said that probably installed concrete for a living, because if we skipped one of these steps in the prep work, the final product, it wouldn't be reliable. Bar tied 24 inches on center. Now, reinforcing the concrete allows the concrete to withstand the stresses over time. But what it means to you, well, your new concrete will last for many more years and still look great. And the concrete's here, and no rest for the weary. These guys get their days started bright early every morning. And remember when I was saying it took a team to do this? Just keep your eye on how many guys are there installing the concrete. And there's no time to take a break. Concrete waits for no one. These guys have worked together for years. They know their trade, and they know how to work really well together.
Then comes the finish work. We float the concrete, and we cut all the control joints. It makes it look really nice, but the reality is there are two types of concrete. Concrete that cracks, and then, of course, there's concrete that will crack. The control joints are predictive crack lines. They help to hide any cracks that will occur in the future. Broom and salt finish. Here we're hand seeding rock salt into the surface of the concrete. This will help to burn holes in the top of the concrete and give it that pockmarked look. Now, we don't just throw it out there and hope for the best. We actually get on our knees and tamp it down in to the surface of the concrete. Now, the next day is cleanup day. Now we've got to clean up all this salt, and we don't want to just hose it off into the street. Yeah. And then, of course, clean up the surface, any residue. Now, you should water down your concrete every day for at least 5 days. Middle of summer, we probably want to do that twice a day to get the best results. So after about 2 weeks of curing, the homeowner can park their truck on their brand new, wider driveway. Isn't that beautiful?